My name is Prithya. I study in class first standard C section. Today I am presenting here a short speech on Mahatma Gandhi ji. He was great leader and freedom fighter. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar. His father name was Karamchand and his mother name was Putlibai. Mahatma Gandhi is also called Bapu and father of nation. He was great follower of peace and non-violence. His birthday is celebrated as International Non-Violence Day. He died on 30th January 1948. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jess Matrikaran. I am studying in first standard and B section. Good morning to all my respected principal teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to talk about the life of Mahatma Gandhi ji. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porabandar. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti every year. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother's name was Putali Bai. He sacrificed his life for the independence of India. He is the father of our nation because he chose the path of non-violence, truth and peace to win freedom. Gandhiji's life is an inspiration for all of us. Thank you, Ananda.
Once a person was on a train journey where he was beaten and thrown out of the first class compartment by a white driver as he refused to give up his seat to a European passenger. That day itself he decided to teach a lesson to white people. Can you guess who is he? He is none other than Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Good morning everyone. This is Tanisha studying in first standard C section. It's a great pride and honor to say few words about the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porabandar, Gujarat. That is why we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti in remembrance of his birthday. Karamchand Gandhiji and Putli Bai are his parents. Gandhiji taught everyone concept of truth and non-violence. He believed that passive resistance was the only way to fight against violence, discrimination and injustice. He followed the path of non-violence. Let us follow the path of Gandhiji to achieve world's peace. Thank you.
My name is Pratiksha B. First standard A section. A very good morning to the respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. At first I wish you happy Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. He was a great freedom fighter. He is also called Bapu and he is called. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi. His mother name was Putli Bai. He was a great follower of peace and non-violence. He started many important movements: civil rights, Dandi March, Quit India movement. Gandhi believed in simple living, high thinking. He died 30th January 1948. Gandhi's life is an inspiration all of us. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Richard KP. I am studying first standard 8 section. Today's speech about us Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. He is the father of our nation. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother name Putali Bai. He went to England to study law. He was a great freedom fighter and slogans like "Do or Die." He was dead on 30th January 1948. Thank you. Gandhiji is the father of our nation. He was born on 2nd October at Porbandar in Gujarat. His childhood name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother name was Putli Bai. He went to England to study law. He remained away from meat and fish. He was very straightforward, truthful and honest. He fought against British Raj in India. He taught the world non-violence. He died on January 30th, 1948.
Namaste everyone, my name is Arjit Kaudar. I am studying a first standard P section. Mahatma Gandhi was great father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi was born 2nd October in 1869 in Porbandar. His father name of Karamchandra Gandhi and mother name of Putli Bai. He studied in England. He got Titan Mahatma Bai Tagore. Thank you, Jai Bharat. Thank you, one and all.
Respected principal, teacher and my all dear friends. I am here today to speak a few words about my life of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is father of the nation. People loving called him Bapu or father. Gandhiji father name Karamchand and mother name Putali Bai. Wife's name is Kasturba and had 4 sons. Mahatma Gandhi studied law from University of London. He was struggled from freedom time. Truth and ahimsa were guiding principles of his life. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Natharam Godse on 30th January 1948. Thank you all. Hello everyone, I am Charan, student of class 2nd B. Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram Patita Pavana Sitaram. All of you know this song? Yes, this song is widely popular by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Yes, today I am going to talk about Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. This day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in India every year. This year on his 152 birthday. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi ji was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and his father name was Karamchand and his mother name was Putalibai. In his childhood life, the story of Shravan Kumar and the play of Satya Harishchandra, these two were very big impacted on his life. When Gandhi was 13 years old, his family decided to get him married to Kasturba. After he studied law in England and became a barrister in 1891, Gandhiji always believed in truth, peace and non-violence as a tool for the freedom struggle. Karo ya maro, Agrejo Bharat Chodo were his famous slogan. He worked for the unity of nation and removed the problem of untouchability. Mahatma Gandhi ji led many movements to bring the British flag down in the country, such as Non-Cooperation Movement, Dandi March and Quit India Movement. Under his leadership, India became independent on 15th August 1947. Few months later, Gandhiji died 30th January 1948. Gandhiji was simple man of high thinking. He is real inspiration for all of us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. I wish you happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Hi friends, my name is Shrinidhi Harish from 2nd standard D section. I am going to tell a speech for Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchand and his mother's name was Putalibai. Gandhiji is also known as Bapu and father of the nation. He was a great follower of peace and non-violence. His birthday is celebrated every year as Gandhi Jayanti. He died on 30th January 1948.
His life was.
Gandhiji's life is an inspiration for all of us.
My name is Ahmadul Rahman. I am studying 2nd standard section. Today I am going to talk about our freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi ji. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putalibai. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We also call him Bapu. Gandhiji married to Kasturba. He studied law from University of London. He was a great freedom fighter. He fought against the British rule. Gandhiji started non-cooperation movement, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement. He gave idea celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October with joy and happiness. Give hearty tribute to our freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi ji. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Preetam Patilkar. I am studying in 2nd standard B section in Presidency Public School. I wish you all happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar in Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. In father name was Karamchand Gandhi. In mother name was Putali Bai. He is a great freedom fighter.
Yeah.
He gave freedom to India 15th August 1947.
Died on
He died on
30 January.
January 1948. Thank you all.
Good morning to my teachers and my dear friends. My name is Pooja, studying 2nd class B section. Today I am going to discuss a few words about Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is also known as Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi believed in non-violence. He played a very important role to get India free. In 1942, Gandhiji started the Quick India movement against the Britishers. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, my name is Sri Hari K. Katakam. I am studying in 2nd standard B section. I am here today to speak a few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was biggest and great patriotic in India. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is father of our nation. We became free on 15th August 1947. Gandhi's wife's name is Kasturba Gandhi. They had 4 sons. Jai Hind. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Dakshani ST, 2nd standard C section ICSC. Respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends, I am here today to speak a few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the biggest and
Good morning to one and all. I am Helen. I am studying in 3rd standard. Today I am going to say a few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. People lovingly called him Bapu. He is the father of nation. Mahatma Gandhi studied law from University of London. He took part in the struggle for freedom, so he was jailed several times. Under his guidance, we became free on 15th August 1947. He was great follower of truth and non-violence. He was a barrister by profession. Truth and ahimsa were the principle of his life. He played key role in 3 major movements. They were the non-cooperation movement, Dandi March and Quit India movement. Mahatma Gandhi was a man of simple living and high thinking. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 13 January 1948. Let us celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti by remembering the principle of peace, truth and non-violence. Jai Hind! Thank you!
Namaste everyone, myself Anuraj, studying 3rd standard at Presidency Public School. Today I am here to speak about the great Indian national freedom fighter Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and his non-violence. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porabandar. The barrister who worked in South Africa came back to India and revolutionized the freedom struggle with his unique ideas of ahimsa, non-violence and satyagraha. We celebrate October 2 as Gandhi Jayanti throughout India. Parallelly, this day is also observed as International Day of Non-Violence. The name of Mahatma Gandhiji transcends the bounds of race, religion and nation states and emerged as a prophetic voice of the 21st century. The world remembers Gandhiji not just for his passionate adherence to the practice of non-violence and supreme humanism, but as a benchmark against which it tests men and women in public life, political ideas and government policies and hopes and wishes of shared planet. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to everyone. Thank you one and all.
Good morning everyone. My name is Idanshika Sir. I am studying in 3rd standard C section ISSE. Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, today I would like to speak about Mahatma Gandhi and non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, India. He is also known as Father of the Nation. Mahatma Gandhi was the most respected spiritual and political leader. His father was Karmachandra Gandhi. He was the Diwan of Porbandar. His mother was Putali Bai. Gandhi, also popular as Bapu, introduced non-violence to the world, which resulted in the United Nations General Assembly to observe his birthday as the International Day of Non-Violence. Many countries observe 30th January is the day of non-violence and peace. Gandhi always believes that the education is the most powerful weapon in this world for the new generation to achieve better fundamental rights. In 1920, Gandhi became a member of Indian National Congress. As a part of the independence, Gandhi launched Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement, etc. This movement helped to Indian freedom. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. My name is Danyata DP, 3rd C ICSE. Good morning, all of you respected principal, ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. On this great day, I wish you all very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhiji was a great leader of India. He is also known as Father of Nation and Babu. His full name was Mohanadasa Karamachandra Gandhi. Gandhi believed in simple living and high thinking. Gandhi Jayanti is known as the International Day of Non-Violence. Mahatma Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father name was Karamachandra Gandhi. Mother name was Putali Bai. He helped India to get independence from British rules. Now I am going to sing a song about Gandhiji. Gandhiji, Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapuji, Bapuji, the father of nation. Gandhiji, Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapuji, Bapuji, the father of nation. He fought for our freedom. He was a great leader. He fought for our freedom. He was a great leader. He was a wonderful teacher. He is a role model. He was a wonderful teacher. He is a role model. Gandhiji, Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapuji, Bapuji, the father of nation. Gandhiji, Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapuji, Bapuji, I love you, Bapu. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Lahari Priya. I am studying in 3rd year section. I am speaking about Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in the good place of Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. His name was Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. We call him Bapu. He is the father of our nation. He was married to Kasturba. He left for higher study in London. He was a founder of the India National Congress. He started the Salt March. He started his life as a lawyer. Thank you, everyone.
Namaste, teachers. My name is Kirtan Krishna. I am studying in third D section. I am going to speak few words on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the leader of the Indian independence movement against British rule. He inspired civil rights and freedom movement across the world. The title Mahatma was given to him in South Africa in 1914. In India, Mahatma Gandhi was fondly called as Bapu and Gandhiji. He returned to India in 1915 and started mobilizing farmers against excessive taxes. Mahatma Gandhi wore simple yarn cloth with yarn handspan on a charaka. His policy and his non-violence made him instant hit among the Indian masses. His simple living and high thinking made him fondly called Bapu. On his birthday on 2nd October is observed worldwide as an International Day of Non-Violence. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, I am Manvit Teyam from 3rd Standard D section. I am happy to participate in Mahatma Gandhiji and non-violence elocution. Mahatma Gandhiji was a great freedom fighter. His full name is Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. Mahatma Gandhiji is also called Bapu. He helped India to get independence from British rule. Gandhiji is also known as the father of nation. His life was very simple. He did not believe in violence and caste discrimination. So we are celebrated the International Day of Non-Violence on 2nd October, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhiji. Gandhiji was a sane politician. He taught to countrymen not to resort to violence. Gandhiji was the architect of non-violence. Non-violence means avoiding not only external physical violence but also internal violence of history. Applying the principles of non-violence, one can reduce the conflict, anger and violence on personal, local, national and global levels. Non-violence has come to be recognized as a powerful strategy for students, communities and whole societies. During the 20th century, the successful social movement of Gandhiji in India and Martin Luther King Jr. in the United States led to the public's realization of completely new dimensions of non-violence conflict resolution. Truth in non-violence is not made for individual behavior alone, but can be applied in global affairs too. Non-violence has been part of the Indian religious tradition for centuries. Gandhiji considered as one of the most prominent leaders of the Indian independence just because of his path of truth and non-violence. Thank you one and all.